Hey guys, in this video, we're going to dive into the top 5 best locking gas cacks available on the market right now. Whether you're looking to protect your fuel from theft or ensure your tank is sealed tight, we've got you covered. As always, you can find the product links in the description below, so let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Rovike Locking Gas Cap, model 12495845. This cap is an all-around option designed for a wide variety of vehicles, including popular brands like Chevy, GMC, Toyota, Honda, and more. Its compatibility list is extensive, making it an appealing choice for multi-vehicle households. It's built using durable metal materials, which ensures longevity, and it boasts a locking mechanism to safeguard your fuel from theft. In terms of design, the Rovike 12495845 features a simple black finish, and while it's functional, it doesn't particularly stand out in terms of aesthetics. The cap is lightweight at just 4.6 ounces and offers a modern style that complements most vehicles. Performance-wise, it's effective at creating a tight seal, reducing vapor emissions and preventing leaks. However, its installation process might be a bit cumbersome for first-time users, as it requires a precise alignment. The major advantage of this gas cap is its broad compatibility and solid build quality, but its Achilles heel lies in its user reviews. Customers have given it a somewhat mixed response, with a 3.9-star rating on average. If you're looking for reliability and a wide fitment range, this is a decent option, but it may not be the best performer in the lineup. Pros: durable construction, broad compatibility. Cons: installation can be tricky. Mixed user ratings. At number 4, we have another Rovike product, the Locking Gas Cap Model 5278655AA. Specifically tailored for Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler vehicles, this cap delivers a targeted solution for owners of these brands. It's compatible with popular models like the Ram 1500, Jeep Wrangler, and Chrysler 300, covering a wide range of years from 2000 to 2020. Designed to meet or exceed original equipment standards, this cap ensures a secure fit and reliable performance. The 5278655AA features a lightweight plastic build with a sleek black finish, making it a functional yet understated addition to your vehicle. At 4.6 ounces, it won't weigh down your fuel door, and its locking mechanism is intuitive and easy to use. Performance-wise, it provides a tight seal to prevent fuel evaporation and reduce emissions. However, the plastic construction might not be as durable as some users would prefer for long-term use. With a solid 4.0-star average rating, this gas cap has been well received by customers, especially for its fitment accuracy and ease of installation. But it's worth noting that this product is specifically designed for a narrower range of vehicles, so double-check compatibility before purchasing. Pros: excellent fit for Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler. Easy to install. Cons: limited compatibility. Plastic build may not suit all needs. Taking the third spot on our list is the ZONFANT Locking Gas Cap. If you're looking for a high-performance cap that fits a wide variety of vehicles, this one is worth considering. It's compatible with models from Chevy, Honda, Nissan, and many others, and it comes with 2 keys for added convenience. The cap boasts excellent fuel resistance and chemical resistance, ensuring a long service life. The ZONFANT Locking Gas Cap is made from sturdy plastic with a silver exterior finish, giving it a slightly more premium look compared to standard black caps. Weighing 4.9 ounces, it feels robust yet lightweight. The cap is designed to provide a tight seal, reducing fuel permeability and vapor emissions, which is a big plus for environmentally conscious users. Installation is straightforward, and the locking mechanism is smooth and reliable. With a 4.0-star rating from nearly 900 reviews, this cap has earned a reputation for quality and performance. However, while it offers universal fitment for many vehicles, it may not be the best option for those seeking a more affordable alternative. Pros: excellent sealing performance, durable construction. Cons: slightly higher price point, limited appeal for budget buyers. At number 2, we have the Rovike Locking Gas Cap. This product is designed for vehicle owners who prioritize security and durability. It comes with 2 keys and is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Toyota, Chevy, Nissan, GMC, and Honda. Its standout feature is its strong sealing design, which prevents fuel leakage and reduces vapor emissions. Made from high-quality ABS plastic and rubber, the Herafiking gas cap is built to resist corrosion and water damage. Its modern style and black finish make it a visually appealing addition to your vehicle. The cap weighs 4.8 ounces and measures compactly at 2.86 by 2.86 by 2.48 inches, making it easy to handle and install. Performance-wise, the locking mechanism is reliable, and the cap provides a tight, secure seal. While it has a lower customer rating of 3.2 stars, the Herafiking gas cap still offers good value for its features. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a robust and easy-to-install cap, though it might not be the top pick for those prioritizing user ratings. Pros: durable materials, excellent sealing. Cons: lower user rating, limited brand reputation. Finally, at number 1, we have the MotoRad MGC 802 locking fuel cap, which stands out as the best overall option on our list. Priced at $16.81, it's not only affordable, but also highly reliable. Compatible with a wide range of Ford, Mercury, Lincoln, Jaguar, and Mazda vehicles, this cap offers excellent versatility. It's a direct OEM replacement, ensuring perfect fitment and easy installation. The MotoRad MGC 802 is made from durable materials and features a sleek black finish. Its twist-on closure is intuitive, and the cap is lightweight at just 3.68 ounces. Its standout feature is its exceptional sealing performance, which prevents fuel evaporation and enhances safety. The locking mechanism is smooth and feels secure, giving you peace of mind whether you're parked at home or in public. With a 4.1-star rating and a reputation for reliability, the MotoRad MGC 802 is a top-tier choice. It's ideal for Ford owners and anyone looking for a high-quality, budget-friendly fuel cap. Pros: affordable price, excellent compatibility, great user reviews. Cons: fewer premium features compared to higher-end options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you narrow down the best locking gas cap for your needs. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.